Hi everyone, welcome to Start to Excel in 3 minutes. In this video I will show you how to extract second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year from a date. So to get this date, first I'd like to enter a formula which is now. So equal sign now and opening and closing parentheses together and then enter. Then I can see that there is date and also timestamp. Now I will extract second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year one by one. So equal sign second and then refer to the cell and the parenthesis close, enter. Then the second is 34. Well, we cannot see the second here since it is not mentioned here, but the second is 34. Same for minute, and refer to the cell, the parenthesis closed and enter. Then I can see that the minute is 22, which is exact match. And then hour is again 14, that's fine. And then day is 5, which is 5th of March 2021, so day is 5th. And then week is week num, actually that means number of the week, and then select it, enter. For month also the same, and for year this is same as well. So now let's validate the output with the given data. So year is 2021, that's fine. Month is March, and week number is 10 here, which is not visible here, but still we can extract it. And day is 5, that means 5th of March, that's correct. Hour is 14 and minute is 20, second is 0, that means if I refresh it and I'll get the correct information there. So this is how we can extract data from second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year from a given date. Thank you.